Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast, where learning English is easy, fun, and full of smiles.
Hi, friends. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Sarah. Today, we are learning how to talk at the state agency for renting a house or a shop.
That's right. Many people need to rent a place, but they don't know what to say in English.
Yes, after this episode, you will know the right words to use at an agency.
Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends.
Let's begin.
Sarah, have you ever rented a house before?
Yes, I have. It was small, but very cozy.
Nice. Was it far from your work?
No, it was close. The location was perfect.
Good word. Location means the place or area where something is.
Yes, location is very important when you rent a house.
I agree. I once lived in a big apartment, but the location was noisy.
That can be hard. A quiet location is always better.
True. Okay, let's talk about renting at the agency.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I want to rent a small house.
Sure. Do you want it for living or for business?
For living, please.
Okay, what location are you looking for?
Somewhere near the city center.
And maybe with 2 bedrooms and 1 kitchen? I have one property that matches. It's in a quiet area near the park.
That sounds good. How much is the monthly rent?
It's $700 per month.
Monthly means every month.
Yes, $700 per month sounds fine.
You will need to pay a deposit.
Deposit means the money you pay first before you live in the house.
Yes, exactly. The deposit is the same as 1 month's rent.
Okay, so $700 deposit and $700 rent.
Correct. Do we need to sign a contract?
Yes, you must sign a rental contract.
Contract means an agreement in writing.
Right. The contract will have your name, the landlord's name, and the rental terms.
Landlord means the owner of the property.
And tenant means the person who rents and lives in the property.
Exactly.
Can we see the house before we rent it?
Of course, I can show you pictures, or we can visit it this afternoon.
That would be great. Please fill out this form with your details.
Thank you. We'll fill it out now.
Once you sign the agreement, you can move in next week.
That's perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Let's explain the new words we used today.
Number 1, rent. It means to pay money for using a house or shop that is not yours.
Number 2, agency. It's an office that helps people find houses or shops to rent.
Number 3, contract. It means a written agreement between 2 people.
Number 4, deposit. The money you pay before moving in.
Number 5, landlord, the owner of the property.
Number 6, tenant. The person who rents and lives in the property.
Number 7, property. It means the house, apartment, or shop that you rent.
Number 8, location. The place or area where something is.
Number 9, agreement. A deal or understanding between 2 people.
And number 10, monthly. Something that happens every month.
Great! Let's use them in short sentences.
Repeat after us.
I want to rent a house.
Good.
I signed the contract today.
Perfect.
The deposit is $500.
Nice.
This location is quiet and safe.
Very good. Practice these sentences every day, and soon you'll speak English with confidence.
Yes, small steps make big progress. Sarah, today's topic was really useful.
Yes, because renting a house is a big part of life.
It teaches us to be responsible and to make careful choices.
That's true. And when we use kind and clear words, every deal becomes easier.
Yes, speak politely, ask questions, and always read before you sign.
Exactly. Good communication builds trust.
And trust makes life peaceful.
That's a beautiful thought.
Thank you, everyone, for listening to English Podcast today.
We hope you learned how to talk at the state agency for renting a house or a shop.
Now, tell us in the comments, what kind of house do you like, big or small?
Write your answer in English and we'll read it.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.